Hi people, we're going. Alright, so there a lot of times I've been asked, how do you make this? How do you make this Jamaican food? Jerk chicken, curry goat, curry chicken, oxtail, all them stuff. So what I'm going to do is start a YouTube channel where my friends can watch and learn how to make Jamaican food. Okay, so what I'm gonna do today is curry chicken, dumpling, and white yam and potato. So let me show you what I have for seasoning right now. Alright, so seasoning: onion, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and I have tomato down in there, and then this is ginger, and I have some garlic in there somewhere. And this is hot pepper. Yep. And then this is the flour, then some chicken, and then this is the curry powder that I'm going to use. Then any seasoning, any meat seasoning, chicken seasoning, black pepper, salt. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm going to knead the flour. Let me get that. Here. Get some water in the flour. So I'm just kneading the flour. And before you put your dumplings in the pot, just make sure the water is hot or boiling. Sure. This is how it's supposed to look. I'm not finished. Okay, so this is how your flour is supposed to look when it's kneaded. So yeah, but see, the water is not yet hot, so I'm not gonna put them in there as yet. So what I'm gonna start with right now is, while I wait for everything to get hot, what I'm gonna start with right now is my juice. So for my juice, I have ginger, pineapple, and some lime juice. Okay, let's see. Well, I get this. Just making sure y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I already have some water in there. I'm not making much, so I'm just gonna pour my ginger in there. Yep. And my lime juice in there. Okay, so now I'm going to strain it. See, this right in here. Doing this, it makes it quicker, you know, easier, faster.
It's Baba. Jamia. It's not Chacham.
Trash, just throw it away, the pineapple trash, or do whatever you want to do with it. I don't know. Okay, so I'm finished straining the pineapple juice. So I'm just gonna add some sugar right now and then put it in the fridge for it to cool so it can, you know, taste refreshing. Not that much sugar though. You know, you gotta taste it. Need some more sugar. So now I'm going to put it in the fridge. Okay, so the water is almost hot. Well, it is hot. So what I'm gonna do now is to just make my dumplings and put them in there. Okay, but yeah, as you can see, I already washed all the stuff that I use. So I like to clean as I go. So I already washed all the stuff that I used, most of the stuff that I used. So onto the dumplings. Onto the dumplings. Ready. Let me show you. Let me show you. This is alright. My dumplings them like, you know, they're not go perfect. They're just regular dumpling them, so don't judge me. So them they just go like this. Regular people dumpling them here. Yeah. So them they put them in a pot like that. So them here. Regular dumpling them here. The man a professional dumpling. Don't judge me. I don't even know how much dumpling I cook, but just, you know, they make some dumpling and some white yam and some potato, some Irish potato. And if you eat with some curry chicken and some pineapple juice. Okay, so here it is. This is what it should look like when you finish kneading your dumpling. Okay, so, and yeah, you can put salt in the water so it's not fresh, but that's just your choice, you know. Alright, so I'm going to peel the white yam right now and then put it in the water with the dumpling. So this is how it looks. White yam. So I did the dumpling first. I'm doing the yam. Then I'll do the Irish potato after because that's easier to cook. That's softer, you know. So this is first. And so I can't peel them saying, so I'm gonna just cut them little and do it. Let me get my board. So that I don't scrape up the counter. Just peel it. Some people they like to cut the yam in slices, but I don't. I like mine chunky. Chunky like this. Put them in here just like that. Wash them, but we just wash off the sun. So I'm finished peeling the white yams, so I'm gonna put them in here. So look at 2 for me and 2 for Nano. See there? Yep. 2 for me, 2 for Nano. Alright, so move on to potato after this, but may I give it like 10 minutes before I add the potato. So just cover it like this, you know. Alright, then I'm going to move on to the chicken now, the curry chicken time. Yeah, we're all on our wait pan. Alright, so I'm going to drain this chicken. already chopped this up and washed it already, so just give it one more wash.
Come here. More banana.
Here. Thank you. Alright, so first thing first, meat seasoning or chicken seasoning. So just put it in there. Not much. Not much. Yep. And then put curry chicken. Then next you put your Jamaican curry powder in here. Don't throw all like tonight. Just put, you know, a fair amount. May look like that Donny curry seasoning, but that's not the case. Okay, so here it is. That's how it's supposed to look. And then you can just pour your own seasoning in, and just pour the seasoning. Yeah, this is the ginger that I'm taking out. Not ready for that right now. Alright. Yeah. Wash your hands. So this is how it's supposed to look. Yep. So it's time for me to put them in the pot right now. The pots. No flash on it, so I'm still in. Hold on, I'll keep quiet. I'm only doing this one by one because I don't want the seasoning in there right now. Yep, alright, look at this. Just starting so it doesn't stick. and then you just cover it and let it sit here. So onto the potatoes now. Then I'll put this in later, not right now. So with this, that's the seasoning. Okay, so I'm just peeling the potatoes to put in the pot with the dumpling and the white yam. For all those who don't know, this is potato. This is how it looks. Potatoes. Okay, so I'm finished with my potatoes. I'm gonna just put them in a pot right here. Video. I'm just gonna let this sit for like another 20 minutes and then I'll check on it and see. And just cover it up. No, this one. See, I didn't even throw any water in there. I didn't even put any water in there. It makes its own water. Look at this. Now I'm about to put all of this. And then just leave it here. Cover it and let it cook. So yeah, that's how you make it, but I'll check back with you in a little while later. This is how it's supposed to look at the end. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and have a blessed day. Thank you.
Born for this, you know. Until man a hustler till death.
Yeah, great track.
Head man done in the street, man hustle every day.